Hey there, friends. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating topic: how to start a thriving e-commerce business. Remember, don't lose hope and make your family proud while growing your business. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. So picture this: you're lying in bed, dreaming of starting your own business, but then reality hits, and you think, I have no experience, no capital, a child on the way, and a mortgage to pay. It can feel like an impossible dream. However, there's another way to look at it: an opportunity for change. Instead of letting debt weigh you down and making your family feel ashamed, why not use every penny to create a thriving business? The excitement of watching your business grow should be greater than the fear of losing money. After all, money comes and goes, but the chance to create something meaningful for your family is priceless. By starting this business from scratch with your family by your side, you'll show them that anything is possible with hard work and dedication. And when you finally launch your product, that moment will be a celebration for everyone involved. So there you have it, friends. A little inspiration to help you turn your dreams into reality. If you found this video motivating, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching. And here's to starting that fantastic business.